Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the basic root cause for the leg pain. Leg pain mainly maybe a knee pain, ankle pain, or this waist joint pain, any pain it's going to be. I'm going to talk about that. So let's begin. Our parents were having a leg pain. We are having a leg pain. What about our grannies? Did they have a leg pain? Maybe, may not be. 90% of grannies did not have leg pain. What would be the reason for that? Why we are getting leg pain and why didn't they get? It is a point to think. So when we think this in depth, the main reason what we get is our lifestyle. Not only our, even our parents' lifestyle. And also the food we take. So coming to lifestyle, what is that lifestyle change we made so that we are facing a leg pain? What is that change? We have to think. The ladies mainly concerned about the domestic core work in those days. What they used to do for running a family. They used to cook the food. Yeah, it's the main house core work. It has got the work in the kitchen, work in the hall, work in the room, everywhere. From they used to handle the whole house, the complete management of the house. Even these days, girls are also doing that. But there are so many changes which our grannies followed, and we are not able to follow. We are forced to follow the culture of some other countries. Before, when we go back to our grannies, all the works in the kitchen were in the sitting postures. Either cutting the vegetables or cooking the food or whatever it is, it was in the sitting postures. But now, what happened when we see our parents, even they are standing and cooking? Cooking takes nearly 1 hour, maybe 1 to 1.5 hours. We used to stand. We are standing just for cooking. Again, washing vessel. That may take another half an hour every time. So again, afternoon food. We know how the ladies stand. We are seeing every day. We will face. Even we are seeing our parents who are always standing and cooking. We are also standing and cooking. Washing vessels. Again standing. If they're washing the clothes in the hand, again standing. Sweeping, no option. Standing. Mopping, no option. Standing. Every time they're standing. We are standing. My parents are standing. We are standing. The next previous generation. I mean, if you go back, our parents are standing. But our grannies, they never used to stand. Either in the kitchen for cooking, or for washing vessel, or for washing the clothes. For none of the works they used to stand. Even the mopping also they used to sit and do. That is where they didn't face the problem of leg pain. That means when we are standing, 90%, 90, I can say more than that, a body weight is falling on the leg. Leg again, it has got either knee or ankle or the waist joint. There's a peculiar joint, this joint. So all those problems started. All those problems. How do we overcome? We have to see to our kitchen. Either we have to sit and do certain work like cutting vegetables. Whatever is possible in the sitting postures, we have to do that. When it is absolutely necessary, where we cannot sit, only those works to be done in the standing postures, that we have to take care so that we can protect our pain, leg pain actually. So we have to think upon this. How can we rectify and try to reduce your work as much as possible. Try to make it as simple as possible. I mean, if you're cutting vegetables, either use some other machineries. You've got all types of machineries where you can use it for cutting the vegetables, that you can do it. And anything, whatever makes it simple so that your standing postures will be avoided, that you have to do it. You have to think it upon. Otherwise, you sit and do. That's not a problem. If you can sit in near the slab, keeping a stool, that you can do, or else sitting somewhere outside in the hall and bringing it to the kitchen and doing, that is also fine. But do something where you can sit. Don't stand much. Don't stand much. That is what you have to take care. And once you got a pain in your leg, the first thing the doctors are going to tell is avoid sitting, avoid standing postures. Never fall your weight should not fall on your leg. That's what the doctor says. So better let us avoid such things. Let us, these British people have bought this culture, standing and doing everything. It was not there in India previously, and no girls or ladies faced this type of problem. Nowadays, if you ask me, more than 95% of the people are facing this leg pain problem. So the basic root cause is only this: they are spending so much of their time by standing. This is to be avoided. And again, I'll come back to you in the next video, the sitting, about the sitting postures, how you have to sit to protect yourself. That is for the spine. How do you protect your spine by sitting in a proper posture? That is also important. Let us see that next. But now the priority is, the basic root cause is only standing. So you avoid standing at any point of time. If it is absolutely necessary while you're doing some exercise, fine, you have to stand. But too much of overdoing of exercise is also a problem. Anything and everything should be in the limits. That is what is a healthy tip. That's what I want to say. Everything should be in the limit. Okay, take care. Let me see you all in the next video.